How's it going, everybody? It's Eddie. Today is that special day. New tech unboxing. You saw the title, you know why you're here, and you know what time it is. Let's get into it. Today, we got the base model 128GB M1 12.9 iPad Pro. I have always liked the small details when I unbox any Apple product like this. Apple tries to make the whole unboxing as easy as possible. Look at this box and see how I open the tabs. The iPad box slides up to make it easier to grab your Apple product. Checking the model. Yes, this is the 128GB. Okay, let's get this plastic off. There she is. You can really feel that this is heavier than the previous iPad. Let's put it to the side for right now. Now let's see what Apple has given us in the box. Here's the normal paperwork with stickers. A Type-C charging cable, 20-watt charging brick, and that's it. That's all that's in this box. Let's get back to this beast of a tablet. Hold on a minute, a moment of silence. The iPad on the back has the 12 megapixel wide and a 10 megapixel ultra wide camera with LiDAR sensor that is used for augmented reality. Holding this device, I can't really feel the difference in thickness between the M1 and the 2018 iPad Pro. Let's take a look around the devices. First thing you see is the speaker grill holes are bigger and there's less holes on the M1 iPad compared to the 2018 iPad. The M1 speakers are louder and a little bit clearer than the 2018 iPad Pro. Other than that, these two iPads look identical. The mini LED display can get brighter and it is the closest you can get to OLED in contrast without the fear of burning. If you made it this far in the video, tap that like button. It helps out the channel. Now, should you upgrade? In my opinion, if you have the 2018 or old iPad Pro, yes, you should upgrade. And here's my 4 reasons why. Overall better screen, better sounding speakers, more storage on the base model, better cameras with a front-facing camera that can follow you on video chats, which is called center stage. If you notice, I didn't include the new M1 processor as a reason to upgrade. This is because all the iPad Pros from the past and present never suffered from poor performance. What holds back the iPad Pros from being a computer replacement is the software. The apps and software don't ever push the hardware to their full potential. This has been my unboxing and first impressions of the new M1 iPad Pro. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.